Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PS4 error code E-8210604a, and this is basically just a PS Store payment error, like you can't purchase something. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're simply going to go to settings, then you're going to go to account management. Now from account management you're going to go to account information. Now once account information loads, what you're going to be selecting is you're going to be going for wallet. Okay, so now once account information pops up, you're basically going to go to wallet, and then from wallet you're going to go to payment methods. Now from payment methods, if you're using a credit or debit card, what you're simply going to do is you're going to go to add credit or debit card, and you're basically just going to remove the debit card / credit card you were using, and you're simply going to re-add it. Now once you do that, you can check to see if the payment method is now working, and it should be working. And yeah, so that was a simple fix for this error code, and yeah, so that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.